Do 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 do. All right, now only a few people who are Battlefield fans will probably know that sound and what it comes from, but folks, I am here to solve, you know, kind of all your problems. I don't know, not all of them. I mean, some of you guys are not helpable, but if you are in this Battlefield world of like, what do I do with this Battlefield 2042? Because it is a gigantic turd. Here's how you do it. Battlefield 2042, go into your Steam section, click on this little option right here. Right next to it, go to Games Applications, click on it, and then there is a right-click Properties option, and all of a sudden you will see this. Put in that you would like a refund right there. Click on I'd like a refund, and here is me clicking on that. I'm getting it. I bought the full rendition. You guys know me. I was super excited about Battlefield 2042. Thought it was going to be awesome. You know me. I've been a diehard Battlefield player for a long time, all the way back to Battlefield the originals, and I've run a Battlefield 3 server for the last, what are we at, 6 years now, and it's the #1 in the United States. And, you know, I love me some Battlefield 3, but I was really looking forward, even thinking about how they were going to do Portal, Battlefield Portal, that is going to take all the cool stuff from Battlefield 3 and Battlefield 4 and put it into this new engine. It's going to be awesome, folks. I'm going to show you guys some videos of the gameplay. It's absolutely wretched. Even, how do you mess up? Like, when you have made vehicle physics a certain way, and you've got them in the old video games, and then you bring them into the new one, and somehow it's like way worse, like absolutely just like gross, like it's absolutely horrid. Anyhow, it's not just the vehicles, it is the shooting, it is the map style, it is the layouts, it is everything that Battlefield 2042 turd is. They should rename it to Brokenfield. I wrote my quick little thing. You don't have to write one, but again, I gave them my own little feedback here. This is not Battlefield. Rename it to Brokenfield. Not possible to fix this game. This is not fixable. This is not like bugs and stuff like that that's fixable as a person who is a coder myself. It is a non-fixable game. So if you bought the game, you want to get a refund. People have been wondering, how do you do it? I went and researched it myself. Just go into your Steam section, go and get your refund, write them a little note, and get your money back. At least that's what I'm doing, and that's how you do it right there into your Steam thing. You can get them. I also looked into it because most of the time Steam does not let you get refunds, but they have opened it up because Battlefield 2042 is so bad, they are allowing refunds. If you have played the game for, I think it's less than 2 hours, it automatically gets it to you. If it's more than 2 hours, just put in a couple of appeals that, well, yes, I played it for longer, but it's literally garbage. You can still get your money back on Battlefield 2042. Just like you should be getting your money back from ICT. If you want to know how to get your money back from ICT, if you got stuck in the inner circle trader scam and fraud, if you want your money back from ICT and you have questions around that, I'll do a separate video on that. But yes, you can get your money back from ICT as well. If you got questions, come hook it up. I'll talk to you soon. See ya!